Hello and welcome to Chords to Jam. Today I'll be showing you 3 chords you need to play Johnny Cash's Folsom Prison Blues. Now, to play along with the record, it's suggested that you use a capo to adjust the pitch up by half a step. But if you don't have it, that's fine too. But the chords you will be needing to play the song are E, which is the open low string, the 2nd fret on the A string, the 2nd fret on the D string, the 1st fret on the G string, and then the last 2, the B and the E, are open. So it's gonna sound like this. And that's an E chord. Next, we're going to be playing an A, which is open 5th string, this bottom one right here, 2nd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string, 2nd fret on the B string, and open E. So all together it will sound like this. And the 3rd chord you're gonna need for Folsom Prison Blues is the B7 chord, which is a little bit more complicated, but once you get it, it's pretty easy and pretty useful. So you're going to be placing your finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Your next finger will go onto the 1st fret of the D string. Your next finger will go on the 2nd fret of the G string. The next string will be open, and then you're going to use your pinky to fret the 2nd fret of the E string. So altogether, it'll sound like this. And then you can put all those together with the strumming pattern. Something like that, to that effect, for Johnny Cash music is always pretty accurate. So for Folsom Prison Blues, it would be something like, you start in E and you switch to A, you go back to E, and then you go to B7, and those 3 chords are used throughout the song, pretty much in that order. Traditional, blues chord progression, but with a little bit more of a country feel. So, like I said, it's E, A, B7, and then back to E. And it's a very simple song. You can probably follow along and figure out exactly the chord placement, but just so you know which chords that you're going to need, and to practice just those 3, once you get comfortable with the finger placement, you'll be able to change a lot quicker. And then of course there's the intro and the solo and all that fun stuff to get to eventually, but this is just a way to sort of help you out and get you going into playing music very fast. And like I said, if you don't have a capo, you can always just play those same chords and it'll sound all right. It'll just be a little bit lower pitched than the recording. So please don't get discouraged. Keep on playing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll see you next time.